these are some words and phrases that I am currently using to practice. I have been practicing a lot recently by using video games. And what I do is I have a list of sentences which I use as kind of like templates. And then whilst I'm playing the games, I use the sentences and actively try to use them as much as possible. But once I feel that I am comfortable, whilst I'm playing the game, of course, I will stop looking at my list altogether and I will try to remember them as I am playing. If you're interested in seeing this process, please let me know because I am happy to share it, though it's very messy and a little bit slow. But the first sentence here is pod klishked, pod klishked, which is to give a start or to maybe give a fright. So cod klishked. This comes from, I think, the book again, and I think I've seen it show up quite a few times actually. But I can use it whilst I'm playing my game, for example. I can say "Horu klishgotum" when someone jumps out at me, especially like a zombie when I'm playing Minecraft. So "Kod klishked," "Kod klishked." And if you were to use it with other people, you could say "Kod klishgotum," so on me. So you gave me a start. "Kod klishkorst," so on you. "Kod klishked," of course, on him. "Kod klishkod," on her. "Kod klishkodin," on us. "Kod klishkodi," on you guys. And then "Kod klishkodu," on them. So to give a start, "Kod klishked." The next is apparently a free gift. And I don't actually know where I got this one from. It might have been Fachlebek, but it is Sur Yift. Sur Yift. Actually, yeah, it should be Yift. Sur Yift. Sur Yift. I think I'm getting the pronunciation correct. I'm not sure. But they use the word gift in Gaelic, it seems. There's quite a few English words that pop up. Like I found the word swap is swipe. And I've seen that in my material for Perthshire as well, so I know that it was used there from time to time. So, but yeah, the word for a free gift is sur yift. A freckle, at least one word for freckle, is brechhenen. Brechhenen. I'm not sure what the plural form is. Maybe Breckenschenen. If maybe I'd have to look it up. But yeah, Breckenschenen maybe for freckles. But one freckle I think is Brechhenen. A foundation is bunalch. I'm sure there are other words for it as well, but this is one that I found, bunalch. And I think this is also in my material, if I remember correctly. Bunalch. Forgetful is apparently Giahunyach. It's interesting because I found that in Perthshire, the pronunciation using the verbal form, for example, I forgot would be Yahannich. So it becomes a hun sound, Yahannich, apparently. But I'm not entirely sure about this one. This is just verbatim as it's written. So, Jihunyach. It could be Jihunyach, but I don't know. I have no information about that. So, to say continue, to continue to do something, is len, ed, something. So, continue upon something. In this case, continue to snow. Lena, ed, and trech. Lena ed trech. I think you can also get snech. But yeah, Lena ed and trech. Lena ed and trech. So it continued to snow. Till 10:30 is gussen le uur and j yech. Gussen le uur and j yech. So till 10:30. Or 11. Na gu an uad diag. Na gu an uad diag. And then it began to clear up. Agus and Jen, holaricha nach. It's interesting that he uses clear up with the nach there, meaning up. So holarich a nach. It began to clear, or really, then it cleared up, because it doesn't use begin in this sense. Begin would be toshich, toshich. It's not using toshich here. It's only using holarich, holarich. So it means just to clear up, not begin to clear up. And then the final sentence I have here is madglea, madglea. So if he doesn't keep or doesn't preserve it. Now, something that's interesting about the word glare in East Perthshire and maybe other areas of Perthshire is that it isn't just for to keep or to preserve, but it also means to find. So I'm not entirely sure. Maybe you could use it like that. So madglea, if he doesn't find it, perhaps. Again, I don't have the full information about that, but I know that glare is also used to mean to find. And I found that quite interesting. Or I lay that interesting. I don't know. I need more sleep. Anyway, so the word is glare, glare, glare. And I think in the verbal noun, it would be glare, glare. So, hami gaglea, hami gaglea. And then if you were using it with the future form, with he, she, or them, them, it would be gles, gles. So, glesa, or glesi, glesage, like that.